The table method that we just went through serves as one approach to convert from binary to decimal. There's many tricks you can learn to do the conversion with binary numbers. And to do arithmetic with them too, you can add binary numbers. You might find it fun to research that. Now we've gone from binary to decimal, so what do you think we're going to do now? Decimal to binary. So let's take a decimal number here, 198, and you know it's not binary because it has numbers other than 0 and 1. And also there's no 2 at the bottom. Actually, if we want to be complete, you could put a 10 at the bottom to show base 10, but since everybody uses it, we don't bother. There's other ways to do it, but we're going to use the 8-bit table again. First of all, write the decimal, the base 10 number, in the first row above the largest power of 2 that is less than a number. Okay, so can I write it here? No, 256 is greater than 198. That doesn't work. Can I write it here? Well, it is greater than 8, but 8 is not the largest number in the table. 128 is. So that's why we put it right here. There's a lot going on this slide, so please follow. All right, where did we start from the previous slide? We have 198 over here. The first thing you do is easy. Subtract this number here, 128 from 198. And what do you get? You get 70. Okay, that's not too bad. Now I'm going to take that 70. I'm going to put them up in this top row, but there's a rule. 70 has to be greater than whatever number is in this row. And not only greater, but it must be the first time it's greater. So let's look at 70. Could I have put it over here? Yeah, it's greater than 8, but is it the first time that it's greater than this row here? No. Okay, so we're going to erase that. That was a bad call. How about over here? Is 70 greater than 64? Yep, put it there. Once again, subtract. 70 minus 64 is 6. Okay, so let's look at the very next column. Let's put 6 there a second. Is it greater than 32? No, doesn't belong there. Is it greater than 16? Nope. Is it greater than 8? Nope. Is it greater than 4? Yes. So I put it over here. 6 minus 4 is 2. And now, I've been saying greater than, but I probably should have read this to you. Greater than or equal to the power of 2. Because now I have 6 minus 4, and I get a 2. So I try to put 2 in the next column, see if it fits. Is 2 greater than or equal to 2? Sure, it's equal to it. Subtract, I get a 0. And now I'm done. I've got nobody else to put there. Okay, so we were repeating steps 1 and 2 until there was a 0 remainder. The last step, and this is the fun part because it's frankly the easiest part of the whole table, wherever I have a number in this row, put a 1 at the last row. So 1, 1, 0, there's nothing here, 0, nothing here, 0, 1, 1, and then 0. Okay, because you might say, well, why do I have a 1 there? Isn't there a 0 there? Yes, but you have to look at this column here. As long as I have numbers in that row for those columns, I can put a 1 there. So here's my final answer. Here's what 198 is equal to.